Apple wants a piece of the action. We already talked about it. And now we have a story here. We recently talked about how Apple was going to potentially get involved with Magna to possibly manufacture their upcoming car. Magna International, a lesser-known company than the automakers because they make cars on behalf of the automakers. But now we get this report that they're in talks with Hyundai as well, Korean car company, who themselves are working on a brand new electric vehicle lineup and working on autonomous driving, as essentially probably any car company would be doing right now. So you had a report in the Korea Economic Daily that said the negotiations were underway for Hyundai to manufacture Apple's vehicle. Now, you read a report like that and you're like, does Apple really... I understand that they would be having these negotiations, but they really want that information out there. They're so secretive compared to other companies. And like, is this Hyundai bragging? What is this? It benefits them maybe more than it benefits Apple.
Yeah, maybe it's just leading breadcrumbs, confusing more people by, having meetings with different car companies and being like, okay, well, let's just have it out there.
Well, after the original report went live, the Hyundai, they called in to update the report twice.
So they were boasting it.
They called in to update to sort of back off a little bit. So update number 1, they changed to, we understand that Apple is in discussion with a variety of global automakers, including Hyundai. Okay? Early stage discussion, nothing has been decided. So they said, no, not just Hyundai. They're talking to everybody. Update number 2 to Bloomberg, they switched it to, we've been receiving requests for potential cooperation from various companies regarding development of autonomous EVs. Apple out the door. So somebody made some phone calls. Somebody picked up the phone, they called Korea, and he said, hey, about those meetings, that's not for the Korea Economic Daily.
Yeah.
That was a secret. Jeez. So they come with the updates and they say, yeah, we can't really commit to any of that. Either way, I thought it was a bit odd, as much as I know Hyundai makes quality vehicles. They're in the JD Power. They're in there. And I know they're doing the electric thing because they got the BTS collaboration going on to promote their new electric lineup, Ioniq.
Ioniq, yeah.
But I'm just not, I was thinking it would be a weird one for Apple. Because...
to collab with a Korean company?
Not just that it's a Korean company, just that of all the automakers, it's just hard to figure out why...
Why them?
Why it would be Hyundai.
Yeah. Beats me as well.
Yeah, so for me, it does seem like I'm buying into the third update, which is Apple's probably testing the waters with all kinds of manufacturers, seeing what could be offered to them, maybe touring facilities, seeing what's possible, thinking and talking about timelines. I mean, I would be doing that if I was them.